good. It's amazing. So good, it's speechless.
It's amazing.
We did a smorgasbord event in Santa Monica, which was fully permitted, and that was fine. A week later, we did one in our local area in Montebello. The police department came, and they were just like, well, we just want to give you a heads up. If they're calling us, they might be calling the health department too. A month later, we did another event, and that's when they came. They shut us down. They made us throw away all of our food. We had like 15 briskets, 10 beef rib racks, and a whole bunch of pulled pork and spare ribs, and then all of her sides that she had prepped. And then they kind of gave us a roadmap to try to get up and running the right way.
We learned a lot from that experience.
Yeah, we did. Now we're fully legit and up and running and doing what we can, so hopefully we can spread it and make it a bigger thing, you know, like it'd be really cool. We had a lot of support from all of our fans, all the people that follow us on social media. We would get messages that kind of kept us motivated to keep going, and so that was kind of nice, and it kind of helped us, you know, not just say, oh, well, you know, well, let's just stop doing it.
How long? I think like an hour and 15 minutes.
Over an hour?
Hour and a half.
So.
It is awesome. Great, delicious. Best ever.
What do you want to eat today?
I call it the blackout because there's like 4 main courses and then 4 sides. So basically everything and everything.
Oh, it's so worth the wait. Man, it's so good.
This is why we do it. We see all these people, they're happy. They come back, they come, you know, they bring friends, and
Barbecue brings people together.
It brings people together, and we love that.
And that's what we love.
Yes, we sweat for barbecue.